Cast iron skillets are kitchen workhorses. They are durable and versatile. Cast iron can last for generations with proper care. These pans heat evenly and retain heat well. This makes them perfect for searing, frying, and baking. Cast iron develops a natural non-stick surface. This is achieved through seasoning. Well-seasoned cast iron enhances flavors. It adds a unique depth to your dishes. This makes cast iron a favorite among chefs and home cooks. Seasoning is key to a great cast iron experience. It's what transforms a raw piece of metal into a versatile cooking tool. It involves baking thin layers of oil onto the surface. This process is known as polymerization. This creates a smooth, non-stick coating. Over time, this coating becomes more effective. Seasoning also prevents rust and enhances flavors. A well-seasoned skillet can last for generations. To season a new skillet, wash it with warm, soapy water. Dry it thoroughly. This removes any factory residue. Next, rub a thin layer of oil over the entire surface. Make sure to cover every inch, including the handle. Use a high-heat oil like flaxseed, grapeseed, or canola oil. These oils withstand high temperatures without breaking down. Heat the skillet upside down in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. Place a sheet of aluminum foil on the lower rack to catch any drips. Let it cool completely in the oven. This allows the oil to bond with the metal. Repeat this process several times for a robust seasoning. The more you season, the better your skillet will perform. Cleaning cast iron is easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can keep your skillet in top condition for years to come. After each use, let the skillet cool slightly. This prevents thermal shock, which can cause the metal to warp or crack. Rinse it with hot water. The heat helps to loosen any food particles stuck to the surface. Avoid using soap, as it can strip away the seasoning. The seasoning is what gives the skillet its non-stick properties and unique flavor. Use a sponge or a stiff brush to remove food residue. Be gentle but thorough to ensure all bits are removed. For stubborn bits, sprinkle coarse salt and scrub. The salt acts as a natural abrasive that won't damage the skillet. This acts as a gentle abrasive. It's effective for removing stuck-on food without harming the skillet's surface. Rinse again and dry it completely. Moisture is the enemy of cast iron, as it can lead to rust. Once dry, rub a thin layer of oil over the surface. This helps to maintain the seasoning and creates a protective barrier against moisture. This helps maintain the seasoning and prevents rust. A well-seasoned skillet is a joy to cook with and can last a lifetime. Store your skillet in a dry place to prevent moisture buildup. Proper storage ensures your skillet is always ready for the next culinary adventure. Section 4. Cast iron commandments. Do's and don'ts of cleaning. Do. Clean your cast iron skillet after every use. Do. Use hot water and a brush or sponge for cleaning. Do. Season your skillet regularly to maintain its non-stick surface. Don't use soap or detergent on your cast iron. Don't soak your cast iron in water for extended periods. Don't put your cast iron in the dishwasher. Following these simple rules will keep your cast iron in top shape for years to come. Section 5. Banishing rust and beyond maintenance tips. Taking care of your cast iron skillet ensures it remains a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. If you encounter rust, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Rust can appear due to moisture or improper storage, but it's not the end of your skillet's life. Use steel wool or a cast iron scrubber to remove the rust. Scrub thoroughly until all the rust is gone, revealing the smooth surface beneath. Wash, dry, and re-season the skillet as described earlier. This process restores the protective layer, ensuring your skillet is ready for use. Avoid cooking acidic foods in a newly seasoned skillet. Foods like tomatoes or citrus can strip away the seasoning. Acidity can damage the seasoning, making it less effective and requiring more frequent re-seasoning. Once well seasoned, your skillet can handle a wider range of ingredients. This versatility makes it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Remember, a little care goes a long way. Regular maintenance keeps your skillet in top condition, ready for any culinary challenge. With proper cleaning and maintenance, your cast iron skillet will become a cherished heirloom, passed down through generations. It's more than just a pan, it's a piece of history in your kitchen.